Wow, wow, wow. This pork chop al pastor is out of this world. If you want to see how to cook this, make sure you stay tuned. The marinade for these pork chops could not be easier. We've got 3 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. I've got 6 ounces of champagne vinegar, 2 ounces of Dijon mustard, about 4 ounces of crushed pineapple, and then 3 ounces of Jody's Asian Persuasion seasoning. We're gonna throw those all in a bowl, mix it together, marinate our pork chops in it. Man, oh man, that's some good looking marinade right there, boys and girls. Throw our pork chops in here, making sure that they're good and covered. We'll place them in the refrigerator and let them marinate 2 to 4 hours. All right, our pork chops have been marinating about 2 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. They're ready to go in the RT 700 at 400 degrees. Now these pork chops are gonna take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, just depending on your thickness of pork chop and your internal temperature. We shoot for an internal temperature of 145 degrees. To add an extra kick to this recipe, we're going to grill some pineapples. Grilling pineapples actually helps release the sugars and enhances that pineapple flavor. Our pork chops reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees. We took them off of the RT 700. Now is a perfect time to go ahead and hit them with a little bit extra seasoning. Not too much. Now we'll plate them up. These things smell amazing. Served with this pineapple. This is a great meal. Ha! Wow, the RT 700 did its job. Look at this pork chops al pastor. They look absolutely amazing. The PID controller held temperature perfectly, cooking these pork chops to perfection. Guys, if you want to see any other recipes like this, make sure you go to recteqgrills.com. Follow us on all social media. I'm Jody Flanagan, a recteq Grills expert, and we'll see you at the recteq.